This simple hack purifies ordinary tap water into super crisp and delicious premium water in under 2 minutes. This little pod contains 6 football fields of filtration. Now, premium water bottle companies have all that expensive and elaborate purification equipment. Scientists figured out how to get all of that inside this tiny little pod. I hate overpaying for premium water. Not only is it expensive, but it also creates a ton of waste, which is why I like GOpure Pod. It's the world's most powerful and reusable filtration system for its size. I just take some of my tap water here. Now you see, that's what I'm talking about. Do you see the stuff floating around in there? This little pod goes right in there, that's all I have to do. And it immediately starts pulling impurities out like a magnet. It also releases natural and essential minerals, which pH balance the water, leaving you with a crisp and delicious hydrating glass of water. Drink healthier, safer, and great tasting water. It travels anywhere. Plus it purifies up to 2,000 bottles of water, which has saved me $1,500 this year alone. Get one of these. GOpure. In less than 2 minutes, this glass of water will be crisp, delicious, purified, and pH balanced, just like this premium bottle of water. It's honestly incredible how amazing it tastes. You ever notice when you drink tap water, it has like a pool water or metallic taste to it? That's because it's contaminated with lead and chlorine. This little pod removes 97% of all chlorine and 99% of all lead, leaving me with just a refreshing, hydrating, delicious glass of water. Believe it or not, this little pod has 6 football fields of filtration inside. That's up to 2,000 bottles of water. And you know how much money that has saved me? In the 5 months I've had this, I've already saved $840. And not to mention all the waste. And you know what else? It's easier to use too. I just drop it in my water and I'm ready to go. And the other thing I love about it is how long it lasts. It lasts way longer than these regular filters that end up costing me tons of money over time. I just put one in my water bottle and forget about it for 6 months. 6 months. I take it to the gym, I use it in the car, everywhere I go. It's become my favorite thing. Great tasting water. In fact, I like it so much, I use one in my water pitcher and I use one in my coffee pot. And that's really where I like it. Great tasting water is the beginning of great tasting coffee. I put a link in the description where I got mine. GOpure. Go check it out.
Want to learn how to turn ordinary tap water into premium pH balanced water in minutes? Keep watching. I stopped drinking premium bottled water when I found this. So I realized my bottled water habit was costing me $2,000 a year. Inside this pod, all of the impurities get sucked inside like a magnet, getting trapped inside 6 football fields worth of filtration. Really, there are 6 football fields worth of filtration in this tiny pod, making it the world's most powerful water purifier for its size. It eliminates 99.7% of lead and 97% of chlorine and fluoride. I found out that these contaminants are actually what give tap water its nasty taste. I literally take it anywhere with me because it's so small. So I bought a few when they were having a sale, and I like to keep them in my lemon water pitcher and my coffee machine. It helps keep my coffee machine clean and the coffee tastes incredible. I strongly recommend you get one for yourself. It is literally the best tasting water you will ever have.